Next, I want to talk about how to create a section or detail view. If you are in um, um, the layout tab, you will see this section or detail here. So one of them is the section 1. If you click on the section 1, assume I want to replace this front view with the section view of um, this drawing. In other words, assume I want to do the section go through this top of this, or for example from here to here. So how to do that? I click on the section view, and it says say where do you want to create the section view from. So click I want to create it from here, and then it says that where's your section line. So assume I want to draw a section line, as I said, from go through the center of this drawing. So I hold my mouse here, I bring my mouse here, so it's the start of my section line. It's gonna be the end of my section line. And if I have more complicated section line, I can keep continue clicking on the rest of the section line. But here I just have the simple straight section line that go through that center of that drawing from top view. When I'm done with drawing the section line, I press enter, and it will ask me where do you want to put your section view. And for now, I assume I'm gonna say I'm gonna just put it there and press enter, and it's gonna put it there. And then if I want to replace the front view with that, so I select my front view, I delete it, then I select the section view, and then select this here, and I will bring it um, down here, and then you can see that I replace my front view with the section view. Also, I can bring this as well. Click on this one and bring it down here and put it here, and then I press in. So sorry. So put it on here, and then you have it. So it shows the section AA that goes through there, and this is the section view, and this is the hatch line that you can see. The other thing that you can use is this detail mode. So assume for any reason you want to magnify any part of your drawing, so you can go ahead and click, either you magnify it by drawing a circle around that, or by drawing a rectangle around whatever you want to magnify. So assume for any reason I want to magnify this corner here. So I click on this circle, and again it says which view do you want to create a magnify or the detail view. So I said, okay, this is the one I want to create it from. Then it says choose the center of that circle. So I choose the center, and then I said the diameter where you want to magnify, and assume this is the diameter. And then when I draw it, I said, okay, where do you want to put it? Assume I want to put it down here or anywhere else that I want, and then press enter, and it's going to put it for me down there. And then this is the label of that, so I can click on that, bring it down, and move it there. So as you can see, for example here, so that circle shows that if I want to magnify, so I magnify that area, and it's a magnified view of that. So this is actually how we can add the section view, and if we want to do that, we can do the different type of section view. So what I did was the straight line section view, or we can add the details of any of those view we have to our 2D drawings here.